Hey everyone, Richard Gibbons here, MLS Director for Southwest MLS, and coming to you with another time-saving tip, part 3 of 3, looking at some stuff in Quick Search. So today I want to cover some of the stuff with Logic and then a tool called Nosy Neighbor. So to start with on Logic, I'm going to come over here and add a field to my search, and I'm going to add appliances. I'm going to click the little blue plus sign right here so it adds all the appliances in the list for me. Now, one of the things that happens here is, let's say that your client wants a dishwasher, a dryer, a washer, and a refrigerator included with the sale of the home. And if you click all 4 of those, you're getting 1,260 options. Now, but the problem is not all of these have all 4 options. Some could have just a dishwasher, some could have just a refrigerator, so on and so forth. But right here, next to each one of these, it has the word or. And if you click on that, you can actually change it to and. So it's actually 2 clicks to get to and. So now I've set this up in a way where it says it has to have a dishwasher and a dryer and a refrigerator and a washer. And that comes up right now with 333 listings. Now this is a good time to mention, there's probably more than 333 listings in the MLS that have these 4 items in it, right? So A, if you don't have all 4 of these options marked and your home has one, you're now missing out on these. And B, this is where it's a good time to point out that I don't usually recommend setting up like your saved searches or your subscriptions based on anything that isn't a required field, because if people don't fill things out, you may miss it. But this and or not kind of logic is still useful in other places. This is just a good example of it. So, we have refrigerator, washer, and dishwasher, and dryer in here. But let's just say for some reason your person just really does not like garbage disposal. So we're also going to do not disposal. So now we're saying it has to have a dishwasher and a dryer and a refrigerator and a washer, but not a disposal. So that's what these options are here. So or means it can exist or not, and means it has to be there, and not means it has to not be there. So that's how you can use that logic to kind of tweak your searches for you. And that and or not is available in all kinds of different options throughout Quick Search. One other thing I want to show you is the thing that's called Nosy Neighbor. So I'm going to narrow my search down a little bit more here. And I'm going to go over to my detail, and I'm going to bring up this option right here in Sierra Altos, and I'm going to go back to my map. So on the map over here on the right side, there's this little blue eye. You'll see it as just above my head here. There's a blue eye there. And if you click on that and then zoom in to where you can see the individual parcels on the map, and you click on a parcel, it does a couple things for you. So first off, it gives you the approximate dimensions of the parcel there. It shows you any listing activity. If there's previous listings, they'll show up here. And it also gives you a link to where you can pull it up directly in Remine or CRS if you have it. And it'll bring you to that property in Remine or CRS. The other thing it does is you can click on other properties that are nearby. Like we'll say this one over here a couple doors down, it last sold for $259,000 in August of 2021. So that's how you can kind of just take a quick look at other neighbors that are nearby and see listings or Remine or CRS information for those properties. So that is Logic and then the Nosy Neighbor tool, which are 2 just great tools that are available within Quick Search for you for this part 3 of 3 of this Quick Search series. Of course, as always, if you have any questions, you got support at SWMLS.com down here at the bottom, or 505-843-8833, and we will be happy to help. Thanks and have a great day.